Rolling.
Welcome everybody to our mini theater. Today, our Tier 3 is going to present to you Perseus and Medusa. It's a really fun, short, and light.
What? Why is Rowan actually Medusa?
No, he's not. Representation of these wonderful gods. Are you ready? Don't be scared.
I love
Don't be scared.
I'm a Gorgon. I have snakes for hair, and anyone I look at turns to stone.
She's a terrible monster. Heroes have been trying to kill her for years, but they all get turned to stone. She's unbeatable.
Unbeatable?
Oh no, evil King Polydectes, you're not planning anything well. Evil? Are you?
Oh no, nothing evil, but I've heard of this monster, Medusa, because everybody tries to kill her. And I was thinking, I'm trying to marry this lady, but her son hates me, so I've been wanting to kill him.
Okay, so that sounds pretty evil. I gotta go.
Oh, Perseus! Bring me the head of Medusa.
Oh no! The king has ordered me to do an impossible test that'll get me killed! What should I do?
Why do I have the shield? Guys, why do I have the shield?
The goddess Minerva, protector of heroes!
That's me. I'm gonna help you kill Medusa, and so are my friends. Mercury.
My wing sandals will make you super fast. Yeah, guys.
Pluto!
My helmet of invisibility, so you can move without being seen.
Jupiter. A sword made from the metal of the gods, adamant.
What are you doing here, Jupiter?
And for me, a shield polished to a mere shine. Use it to avoid looking into Medusa's eyes.
Good luck, Perseus!
That sure was nice of them. With Mercury's winged sandals, I fly across the world to Medusa's cave. I put on the helmet as I walk in, walking backwards, always keeping Medusa behind me. What's that I hear? Is there another hero here to kill me? I sneak as quietly as I can, always keeping Medusa behind me. Where are you, hero? There's no hiding from me. Slice! Now I'll put this head in a bag so no one accidentally looks at it and looks in the eyes and gets turned to stone.
Whoa, it's me! Neptune is forcing me to feed my own daughter, Andromeda, to a terrible sea monster!
Help! I don't want to be fish food.
Release the Kraken!
Haha, just kidding. That's me. And I'm already released, so I'm gonna eat this lady here real quick.
Not so fast, sea monster!
A human hero with wings on his feet. Weird. Oh well, I'll kill you.
Not so fast!
Yes! Take it!
By the gods! You turned the terrible sea monster into stone! How can I ever thank you?
You could let me marry that pretty lady.
Deal.
I'm Andromeda.
Oh, neat.
Can you untie me from this rock now? Also put that severed head away. You just turned 3 townspeople into stone.
My not at all evil plan has worked perfectly. Perseus is definitely dead by now. And I'll marry his mother.
Isn't that Perseus flying directly toward the palace now?
Flying?
Polydectes!
Perseus, aren't you supposed to be dead? I mean, aren't you supposed to be bringing me the head of Medusa?
I have it right here.
You're lying. You're just pretending you killed Medusa.
See for yourself. Oh. See for yourself.
Son, you turned evil King Polydectes to stone. He looks great in the garden.
You don't have to worry about him anymore, Mom.
Thank you, Perseus.
This is my fiancée, Atomica.
Andromeda.
Oh, right, Andromeda.
Why are you going to the Vita Comienza?
I was gonna give it to Minerva, the goddess who helped me the most.
Oh, you're so thoughtful. What a severed head. What a lovely gift. I'll wear it on my chest armor forever.
Stay tuned for next